Hey guys, so I'm making this short video to go ahead and explain how to correctly cite a book that you use in your work using the Chicago style. Now, let's go ahead and put an example sentence. All right, so this, like I said, is an example sentence that's using information from a book. Now, we want to go ahead and go to references and insert footnote. So this is how you're going to enter a footnote. Now you can see the number there. Now we want to go to home, open this up in paragraph, and go to the indentation and first line. Perfect. So now for the footnote, we're going to go ahead and choose a random book that I have here. The author, Joanna Whaley Cohen. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and put a comma. And then the title of the book goes in italics. All right. Right, so after you finish writing the title of the book in italics, you go ahead and then put the location where it was published and then the publisher. All right, and then after that, well, within here, we still have to put the date, the year it was published, and then the pages that we used. So let's just say we use 60 through 65, right? And then we end that with a period. So that's how you're going to go ahead and insert the footnote with the author's name first and the name of the book in italics, the location where it was published, and then the publisher, the year, and the pages that you used. So now let's say we're done with that. We're finished our essay, and we're going down to finish our bibliography. So you go ahead and just simple all right. So then for this here, we're going to go to the indentation one more time. And we're going to choose the hanging. All right. So for the bibliography, it's important to note that we're going to go ahead and put her last name first, the author's last name first. And then after you put multiple authors, you're going to go ahead and alphabetize that. All right. And then we put a period there. So like I said, last name first, then first name. Then once again with the title of the book in italics. All right. And then after that, we're going to put a period. And then we're going to go ahead and put, once again, the location of the publication. And the publisher. followed by a comma, and then the year it was published, and a period. So note how the indentation is different here. For the bibliography, it has the hanging. Remember to always put the last name first and then the first name in the bibliography. And this is how, that's the difference between the two, the bibliography and the footnote.